Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be learning the basics of what do we mean when we say forex trading. What do we mean when we say trading? So trading basically is just the basic knowledge that we get from school, the buying and selling of assets in order to make profits. That's why you hear some are profitable, some are not profitable. So what is forex trading? Forex trading really is the exchange of currencies. You buy a currency, you sell a currencies. You buy a currency and you sell a currency. So trading is a global decentralized marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. It involves speculating on a currency price movement so that you make profit. Speculating on a currency means you have to have a strategy and watch how your strategy moves. That's when you make profit from speculating your strategy, and also seeing how the price move so you know when to make a sell, when to make a buy. So how it works: when you trade forex, you're always dealing with currency pairs. Currency pairs are stuff like euro USD, gold, we have GBP JPY, we have GBP JPY. We have a lot of currencies, and currencies go in two major categories. We have the minor currencies and the major currencies. So in a currencies we have two pairs. We have a pair. So we have euro and we have USD. So the first currency that appears first, uh that's the base currencies. That's the best currency, and the next currency that you see, that's the quote currencies. If you buy a pair like euro USD, it means that you're looking for the euro to gain momentum or have more strength over the US dollar. When you sell it, you're looking for the euro USD to be weaker and the dollar to be stronger than the euro. So now that we understand what forex really is, we have different markets when it comes to trading. We have the cryptocurrencies, we have the indices, we have the forex, yes, that I focus more on. We have the EFTs, we have the shares, we have the commodities. So what do we understand by this? For the stock market, traders buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. For example, we have Apple and we also have Tesla. For the forex market, what I do personally, we trade the forex currencies against one another. We have euro USD, we have GBP JPY, and all those stuff. For the commodities, these include the tangible raw materials. That's why we have the US oil, we have gold, we have silver, and agricultural products. These are the commodities. For the cryptocurrencies, these are the digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the digital assets, and they're most likely volatile compared to other currencies. Same goes for the commodities: oil, gold, and silver. These are volatile markets, meaning they move fast and they have lots of volumes. We have the indices, which include S&P 500, Nasdaq 100. We have the bond markets, where investors trade debt securities issued by the government or the corporations. Apart from that, I'ma let you know I will let you know how you can get started. There are only three major ways you can get started. You have to choose a brokerage according to your specification, but then because you're a beginner, you will need guidance on what broker to use, because a broker is the middleman between you and the market. You can't trade on your own. You can't trade on your own. You need a broker between you and the market so that when you place a trade, it goes via the broker. That's how it works. So you need to choose a broker, select a regulated forex broker. You practice your strategy that you learn on demo accounts. Then you analyze your market by yourself using your strategy more and more as you go on. That's the basic things you need to know about Forex. But then for the next bit of it, we'll cover how to start, the types of apps you need to start, and what type of trader you could be, because we have different type of traders. We have swing traders, we have scalpers, we have day traders. That's it for today. See you on the next one.